Today we will be teaching you how to make clear slime. So let's get started. The first step is add as much clear glue as you want. This is optional, but today we are going to be adding some glitter. Then mix it. Once it's all mixed in, add your activator slowly. We're using borax solution, but you can use whatever activator you want. Keep adding activator until it forms. Lastly, knead with your hands. Let it sit in an airtight container for at least a week. Hope you enjoyed. Bye!